An Agile coach is pivotal in transforming software teams by instigating a shift towards an Agile mindset. By guiding teams through this transformation, they enable the application of lean and Agile principles, challenging established norms and encouraging the embrace of new methodologies. Agile coaches provide expertise to select practices aligned with team goals, facilitating the team's evolution towards enhanced efficiency, collaboration, and responsiveness in software delivery. These professionals possess in-depth knowledge of Agile frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, Lean, and Extreme Programming, XP. Leveraging this expertise, they assist teams in selecting the most appropriate framework considering project needs, team dynamics, and organizational structure. This support may involve setting up ceremonies, e.g., sprint planning, daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, retrospectives, or implementing tools like Kanban boards for workflow management. Additionally, Agile coaches refine engineering practices and technical processes, advocating for methodologies such as test-driven development, TDD, continuous integration, automated testing, and pair programming. Their guidance ensures the gradual adoption of these practices, seamlessly integrating them into existing workflows. Moreover, they serve as catalysts for organizational change, collaborating with leadership to foster an Agile culture. They may facilitate restructuring to promote self-organizing teams, advocate for adaptive planning, and foster collaborative, transparent work environments across all levels of the organization. Ever wondered how to propel your business to the next level in this fast-paced digital age? Is the thought of aligning your technology with your business goals a daunting task? Picture this: a world where your technology serves your business strategy, where your teams work with agility and efficiency, and your processes are streamlined and optimized. This is not a far-fetched dream, but a reality that Gotocertify Ltd can help you achieve. Located in the heart of London, Gotocertify Ltd is a consultancy firm that specializes in IT strategy and execution. Our expertise ranges from seamless software integrations to cloud migration strategies and technology roadmap development. We are here to give your business the strategic edge it needs. But that's not all. We believe in the power of your team. Through our Agile coaching and consultancy services, we facilitate Scrum and Kanban implementations, unlocking the potential of your organization. Effective communication and collaboration are vital in any business. We craft stakeholder management strategies and communication plans that ensure project delivery excellence. Efficiency is key. We streamline operations and optimize processes using Lean Six Sigma methodologies and continuous improvement frameworks. The result? Operational excellence. And we don't stop there. We empower your workforce with tailored training programs, focusing on everything from project management methodologies to technical skill enhancements. We are committed to your team's growth. Our track record speaks for itself. Our transformative initiatives in insurance, banking, and telecommunications have driven substantial cost savings, operational efficiency, and regulatory compliance. So, what are you waiting for? Propel your business to new heights. Partner with us for unparalleled expertise and unlock your company's potential. Contact us today to embark on a journey of excellence with Gotocertify Limited. Visit www.goto-certify.com.